guys, it's Grayson, back with another video. Welcome if you're new, welcome back if you're not new. If you have not already, pretty please subscribe to my channel. We do videos twice a week here, always doing something fun, unboxings, reviews, looks of all the newest stuff usually, because I be buying it all. And if you leave this video a like, that would mean the world to me, but only if you're feeling it, and then ring the bell to get notified if you enjoy my videos, so you get notified of when I post. And I'm always doing fun makeup related content, as well as just being very active on Instagram every day, so follow me on Instagram as well if you want to see more stuff from me and interact with me over there. Today we're getting no makeup Grayson. I look like a naked mole rat, but I have been doing quite a bit of makeup lately. I have quite a bit of makeup that I have to do this week, and I'm actually probably going to be doing a creative look after I film this. So I decided that we would do one of our Boxycharm unboxings where we have no makeup on, and I just go through the products and see what we got this month. There are a couple things that I wouldn't even be able to try on anyway, like be able to show, so we are just gonna see what we got. This month's theme is Candy Shop, so it's Boxycharm Candy Shop, and let's see here, we got Variation 61 this month, and they have the hashtag Boxy Candy Shop if you want to use your box to be featured. They always do that. This base box retails for $25. I do pay, I noticed it's $27 once like you hit tax and everything or whatever. It's like $27 a month, and you get five, is it five? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah, 5 full-size products. And it's just a really good way to try new brands, get maybe some stuff that you never thought you would try, and then you end up liking it. Just a good way to kind of do that. And I wasn't super disappointed in this month's box. It's actually not bad. We have, first thing on the list is the Ciate London New England Editor Palette. She's right here. And it retails for $32. And it says, inspired by New England in fall, this palette features super soft and blendable shadows and a mix of richly pigmented autumnal hues. Okay, autumnal. Mix and match the metallic glitters and mattes for effortless eye looks. So let's take a look at her. Trying to not like get this packaging too much on the screen because it's very reflective. But the palette itself is really cute. It's like a baby pink color, and then it has this little, it looks like a palm kind of design on the front, but it's in this cute little like purpley periwinkle color. I know that y'all are gonna be like, what? But as soon as I saw this, it reminded me of a shirt that my mom had. She used to have this really cute shirt that she used to wear to work, and it was like these colors, I don't know, but as soon as I saw it, I was like, that's what it reminded me of. It is plastic packaging, which is not my favorite thing in the entire world, and we do have a little protector in there, and this is actually a really pretty palette. Now, they said glitters in there, and I don't really, I mean, they look like maybe these couple of shades, they look as though they're more like glittery, but it's not a glitter, it's more of like a metallic. But the color story is really pretty. I actually think it's gorgeous. Usually a lot of my Boxycharm palettes are nothing like fantastical, and I usually end up giving them away because I'm not going to get much use out of them. I feel like this one's actually really cute, and I like the color story of this. It doesn't have any shade names at all. Let's see what we got going on back here. It just says 18-piece eyeshadow palette, and it is cruelty-free and vegan, so that's good on that. But she's a cute little color story. I wonder how the pigment is. So let's go ahead and I'm gonna swatch one of these metallics and then one of the mattes. They don't have names, so this is like a nice peachy color. It's very soft, and it's a little dry, but it looks like it's very pretty. And then this is one of those like more metallic shades. Not bad. I mean, it's cute. I think it's cute. I might end up, I don't know. I might end up giving it to a friend if they might be more interested in it. Now that I already touched it, I wouldn't try to give it away to like someone I don't know, but I don't know. Whenever I saw it, I was like, this is actually a pretty cute little palette. So I might give her a whirl on the eye. We'll see what happens. But that was our first product. That was a very long-winded discussion on that first product, so I'm sorry. The next thing, I was actually so excited for this because I actually wanted this whenever it came out, but I just, it's a little pricey. It's the Tarte Maracuja Miracle Mist Setting Spray, and it's $23. I do love my Milani setting spray, which is a nice little drugstore price, but also they came out with this little tinted hydrator when they came out with this, and I decided I wanted this more than this, and I couldn't like do both. So I used to use Maracuja oil in my skincare religiously from Tarte, and I quit using it because it was honestly just expensive. It was just expensive, and I found a serum that was cheaper and worked better for me. But I love Maracuja oil so much, so I have the tinted hydrator. It's really nice, and so I was really excited to get the little setting spray, and it's in one of these little cans like this. It's kind of like the Morphe setting sprays, and it says, prepare to be obsessed with this ultra-fine vegan superfruit setting mist that effortlessly refreshes skin and sets makeup for 12 hours with a natural radiant finish so skin looks healthy and hydrated. And I know I don't have any makeup on. We love a fine mist moment, and it doesn't have any crazy scent, and it just feels really refreshing. So I was actually, this is probably the product that I was most excited about whenever I opened up the box to take everything out and sanitize it, because that's Grayson's game. But very happy about this. And then we have this Real Her Ultimate Glow Getter Cheek Trio, and it retails for $28. And it says, this cheek trio has all your angles covered. This high quality silky formulation ensures the high points of your cheeks are evenly highlighted, the hollows perfectly chiseled, and the apples of your cheeks subtly flushed with a universal peach. So I don't think I've ever tried anything from Real Her. So it's a new brand. It's a cute little marble packaging. I will say that it's like a cute little white marble packaging with rose gold lettering, so really cute packaging. Okay, it does have a little protector on the mirror and on these. I don't know that I would be able to use these. I don't know that I'm gonna touch this. I mean, it's cute. It's got a little bronzer moment, which honestly would be way too warm for me. I'm too fair. I could probably honestly use the blush and the little highlight. The blush is like a more satin blush. It's not a matte. It has a little bit of like shimmer going on in it. And then the Goddess highlight, it looks like a nice little like peachy toned highlight, but I might try to give this to someone who could use something a little bit more warm. I think I actually have a friend in mind. That's what's so hard. Like, that's why I do unboxings of my Boxycharm stuff and not like more try-ons, because I could sit here and like try it on, but if it's something that's not like super great for me or like my skin tone, I feel like it's a waste whenever I could be saving it and giving it to someone who could get more use out of it. So that's why I just kind of do the unboxings and show the products, and then I kind of decide what's good for me and what can go to someone else. And I feel like, because like I said, this is more on the warmer side, I could give this to someone who has more of a warmer skin tone. But it is really cute packaging. Nice little compact moment where you have like all three things in one. A nice little travel situation, if you will. The next thing on this list, I just don't even know where to go with this, because it's kind of insane to me that it's expensive, y'all. This is ridiculous. Like, I would never. And this is like our most expensive item in the box. Like, everything else is pretty low because this took up like a big chunk of the value, and I just don't know how I feel about it. So this is the Symbiosis London tightening and resplendent eye mask, which when I saw eye mask, I was like, oh, fun, cute. We love a good eye care moment, because You see these like dark circles under here since I have no makeup on today. But yeah, great, fantastic. And then I looked at it and it was like retails for $93. And I was like, you know, I'm gonna look it up because like I'm gonna make sure Boxycharm is, usually they don't, but I'm like, are they overselling this a little bit on what the like retail price is? So I looked it up on the Symbiosis London website, and on their site it retails for 72 pounds, which translated to US dollars is $93. And I was like, because this is half an ounce, not a full ounce. This is half an ounce of product, which I know it's an eye product and you don't need a lot of product for the eyes, but like, geez, I'm gonna use this. It's gonna be real cute to use, and then I'm not gonna purchase it because, like, what? So it says a revolutionary innovation in the beauty market in the form of an eye mask in cream to tighten, rejuvenate, and brighten the delicate eye area. The eye mask is fortified with hyaluronic acid. I don't know if I'm saying this one, Pullulan. It's Pullulan, as well as shea butter, and works to visibly reduce puffiness and the appearance of fine lines and dark circles. Mask in cream to tighten, rejuvenate, and brighten. Ooh, it's all the claims. It just says apply a thin layer to clean dry skin, allow it to absorb into the delicate skin around the eye area, and no need to wash it off. It does say to carry out a patch test, which if you don't know what a patch test is, that's where you put a product on a piece of your skin somewhere kind of where it's like you don't mind if you have a reaction, to see if you have a reaction to it, and that way if you do, you didn't immediately put it on. Like sometimes in cosmetology, in the salon, we do a patch test for hair color to see if someone's allergic to hair color before we have some big crazy allergic reaction on their scalp. We'll put a little on their skin, see what happens, things like that. People do it for skincare products, whatever. But this, I've never like grabbed a skincare product and like the first thing it says is caution, carry out a patch test 24 hours before first use. I'm like, okay, so it's obviously got some ingredients going on in here, but it's a little nozzle, little eye mask. I might have to try this out, but because it does say about that patch test thing, and I have sensitive skin and like different skin allergies, I might have to actually patch test it. So like I said, very interesting that it says the directions and then right underneath that's the first thing it says. But $93, y'all, for half an ounce of product. Here you go. Have a nice day. Blows my mind. And then we have, actually, I was so excited for this. This is actually like a repeat product. It's a different form of the product, but I've gotten this same product before and I actually loved it, and I am now out of the first one that I had. So now that this is about to get shown to y'all, it's going to go in my shower after this. But it's the Spongile, which is what I want to call it, because it has that little accent, so it's like I want to say Spongile. That's what I want to say. It's the Cherry Tonka Musk Body Wash Infused Buffer. I had another body wash infused buffer from them, and I forget what the scent was on that one, but it smelled really good, and it looked exactly like this. It's a little like loofah in the shape of a cute little flower, and they are infused with product, and it says up to, I think it's up to 40 washes or something like that they say. But it does say on the front of the thing multi-use, but I'm pretty sure the thing is something like 40 washes or something, because it's got like soap in here. Oh, and this smells really good. The last one I had smelled really good. This one smells really good, and it's a very good exfoliating little sponge. Even after the last one was like out of product, I still kept the sponge itself like for scrubbing and just used it with my regular soap, and it's a really, really nice little product, and it retails for $20. But I really, really, really liked this, and some people will probably be like, oh my god, I've gotten one of these before and it's a repeat product, but I'm not upset to get something again that I thoroughly enjoyed, because then now here's another one and I didn't have to like buy another one. So it smells delicious, but it says Spongile. That's really what I want to call it, and if it's like Spongile or something, like, my bad, but I want to call it Spongile. And it says, has collaborated with Boxycharm to create a limited edition body wash infused buffer. Oh, to create limited edition body infused buffers. So I guess these buffers are like with Boxycharm. Is that what's happening? Okay. These buffers with built-in body wash are infused with extracts of yuzu, edelweiss, and these are some words, y'all. Vetiver, vetiver root, to cleanse, exfoliate, massage, and hydrate the skin for a spa-like pampering experience at home. Alrighty. But yeah, I loved my last one. I think it was like some sort of jasmine something. I don't even know. I threw the box away a long time ago, but it smelled so good, and this one smells so good. And now that the other one ran out of its infused body wash, this one's gonna go right along into my shower because I'm so excited. So the two products that I was like super stoked about were these guys this month. So excited for this, and like I said, yes on this. So this, y'all are on crack, $93. Okay. Cute, meh, and cute, like cute, but but like for the value, we did pretty good, because the two products, like I spent $27, and the two products I was super excited about together retail at like $43. So I feel like I got my money's worth. And let's go ahead and tally up the total amount for the value of the box this month. So we've got 32 plus 23. So we're at a value of $196, with that $93 eye mask being like the star of the show, because everything else was kind of like, to me, more on the like lower side. But yeah, we're retailed at $196 this month for our little Boxycharm moment. I have had worse boxes, let's just go ahead and say that, so I'm not upset with this one. I want to try this, but we're gonna be careful with this guy. But holy mess, I can't get over that price. I might try her. I might see if a friend wants her, and then I think I have a friend in mind that might want this little guy. So for me, that's another thing, is like I have so much makeup, and it's nice for me to be able to like hand off to my friends, because I get this box every month and I'm like, hey, would you use this? And they're like, ooh, yes, absolutely. And they're people that don't buy bukus of makeup every single day all the time, like yours truly. So yeah, but that is our little Boxycharm candy shop moment this month, which, like, I don't know what they do with these themes. Like, the products don't usually like relate, but I think they just try to be cute and have a theme every month, and that's their deal. But not a bad box, not a bad time. If you guys are interested, they have different levels of the box: base, premium, and then Boxy Luxe, I think. And I'll put up the chart for you guys. It shows like the monthly prices and then the products that you get and things like that. It's like I said, if you are not buying makeup all the time, but you're wanting more makeup and you're wanting to try more brands, this is an absolutely great way to do it. I've gotten some really, really great stuff that I've fallen in love with out of my Boxycharms, and I think that it's worth it. It's my favorite subscription that I've had. The subscription, ooh, that word like didn't want to come out. But I enjoy Boxycharm. If you guys enjoyed this video, like I said in the beginning, please give it a thumbs up. It would mean the world to me. And comment down below what you guys think of this box. And if you do get Boxycharm, what did you get in your box? Did you get any of the same products? Are we box twins? Let me know. So I love you guys so, so, so much. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.